this is the time in our service when we turn within, personally, individually, and collectively. Tuning into God is a really important practice. And when we can do it daily, it enriches our lives and deepens our connection with the divine. So as we breathe in deeply, deliberately, and let it out slowly, we can feel the energy in the room calming down, centering. We let all the world outside the doors to feel the peace, to feel the calm, to feel the love, to feel the sense of connection that we have with each other. As we come together in a common faith and a common journey, we are one. We truly are one. Feel it, know it, allow it to fill your entire being, so much that even when you leave this building, you carry it with you. We are one. And for this understanding and for this sense of completion, we do give thanks. Father, Mother, loving God. Amen.